How to find saved pages on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved pages on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and now just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click this one, add page to this one here, saved pages. And now just here you can find saved pages and you can manage it. Just hold on any page you want here and you can share it, or click delete and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.